So, of course, you ever notice things don't work right when you're actually videoing? She's good. Well, this is hard to do with one hand. What a dummy. Just a minute. Much quicker when you use two hands. Lots of packing to protect it. And there it is. I'll get that open in a bit. Actually, another day. Got stuff to do. So I got all the decals and looking at them. I'm not putting a rollover hazard, whatever. But then I started reading it. Might cause an uncontrollable desire to run over stuff. More likely to get attention. And then the best one. Do not forget to send it. Oh yeah. And there it is installed. Wish it came out a bit more to the side. That's what normally beats rocks and gets broke on the edge of the bumper, but yeah, we'll give that a try. And with the lift and the bigger tires, all I need is what? Rock sliders next, and I think take that felt off the bottom and add a big skid plate to it, I think. Next.